Come as Sahil only wants to eat IHOP pancakes like hello, eat something else. Good morning you guys and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm again filming like a few days in my life, if not a week, maybe like a few days, and we're starting again on a Monday, which is like really good. Right now I have to do some invoice work, so that's gonna be a little boring, but I need to get done with it. So we're gonna start with that and then we're gonna see where the day takes us. Done with the invoicing and now I'm gonna edit my reel. I wanna post it right now, so I'm gonna be editing it, and it's like a get ready with me. I went to yesterday was Father's Day and I took my dad for a Father's Day event, and it was like so cool, and so I made a get ready with me before that, so I'm just gonna edit that right now. What I'm doing currently is sending out all the giveaway t-shirts, and for that like I need to pack them in these, write down the address and do all of that. So that's kind of a task, and I've been doing that for quite a while now, and I'm halfway done. Some matcha. Like I've been obsessed with matcha. If you saw my last video also, I tried out matcha, and since then I've been trying different matcha recipes every day and seeing what milk works out for me and what I like. But one sad thing is that I don't have a matcha whisk, the bamboo whisk yet. I need to order it, so I'll be frothing my matcha with a frother or something like that. But if you have a bamboo whisk, then don't miss that. Like that's the original way to make matcha, but still this turns out like quite decent. And also let me know in the comments if you want to see a proper video of me trying out different matchas from different cafes. Like that would be so cool, going to like 3 to 4 different cafes and rating all the matchas in Mumbai. This is the matcha that I use. This was given to me by Ria. Actually she got it in PR and she knows that I wanted to try matcha for so long and I was like obsessed with it, so she gave me this matcha. It's from Ilim, Japan. It's like a natural Japanese brand, finely ground Japanese green tea. Yeah, excited. This is my matcha glass. It's so cute, isn't? And it's green, so it goes with the vibe perfectly. Kitchen is literally smelling like matcha. Wow. Because I don't have a bamboo whisk, I'll have to do it like with a frother. But if you have a bamboo whisk, please do it with that, because like that's the original way that you should do it. Ready? Let's try it. Wow. Also you can add honey if you want it a little sweet. I've also added a little honey. Makes it amazing. Hi guys, so today is the next day and today I am actually headed for an event, and I'm going for a Nivea event, and this is my fit. They didn't have a theme or anything, but I decided to wear blue and white because like that's usually the Nivea colors, and yeah, this is how I look. Also my hair is not cooperating with me. Like I didn't have time to wash my hair today, so it's so oily and greasy, and all I could do is like tie it up, because when I was leaving it open it was looking so bad. But still I think this is cute. It's not my most favorite thing to do, but this always happen to me that the Uber guy has to go to the washroom when I am in the cab, and he has to stop the cab on the side, like right after the ceiling. This always happens with me. But there's one good news. Like, I just kept a story of my outfit, and Muskan reacted to it saying, "Are you coming for Nivea?" And I'm like, "Yes." And I called her up and she's like, "Are you coming?" And she's like, "Yes, I'm coming." And I'm so excited because I didn't know anyone who was coming for the event, and now she's coming. So I'm so happy, and I'm gonna just spend some time with her. And yeah, I was gonna like be completely alone over there, but now I won't. Good thing. So I reached early as always for the event. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am waiting here in Starbucks, and I thought that I should try the matcha over here because everyone said that the Starbucks matcha is like not really matcha and it's like really bad. But I want to try it. I want to see what's all the fuss about. Like, yeah. So I'm here waiting for Musli, and I'm gonna have my matcha, and yes, that's what we're doing. And it's so awkward vlogging over here, but there are like so many people, and I'm literally sitting in the corner. Let me show you. This is everyone, and that's me. Yeah. It's extremely sweet. It's not like how matcha is supposed to be. Like, you can have sweet matcha, but this is like sweet.
Salicylic acid and glycolic acid. We realized that this range demanded a little bit of skin school session so that we can really talk in depth about what's the science behind it.
Yeah, really making sure to exfoliate. This slough off the accumulated dead skin if you use something. Disrupted. You could have accumulated, which is what we don't want, right? So these ingredients in the formula make sure that they work at the level of the stuck and in the top.
Hi guys, I am back after like more than 24 hours, like almost 30 hours. I didn't vlog the entire day yesterday because, as you know, I've injured my toe. I don't know if the vlog knows this. I think I mentioned it, I don't know, but yeah, I had to rest the entire day. Actually, I need to rest today also, but I'm going out for a bit because I have to get a lot of work done. I need to buy some stuff from the mall. Yeah, some stuff from the mall. And this is what I'm wearing. This is Sahil.
Hello guys.
Yeah, welcome to my weekly vlog.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what else? Yeah, so I didn't vlog at all, and today I'm gonna be vlogging a little, and tomorrow is actually a really interesting fun day because we have a meta event to go to. That's where I'll be vlogging a little, and yeah, let's go. Finished the work, got something, and not for me, for someone else, and now I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat something. We're gonna eat something because obviously I am hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry.
What do you want to
something.
eat? Did I get good stuff?
Yeah, you got good stuff. Can we eat IHOP pancakes?
We ate that last time. Every time we come, Sahil only wants to eat IHOP pancakes. Like, hello, eat something else.
IHOP pancakes, or else I'm sorry, but
no, you are off sugar now, so have something salty. Rice came in the meal, so couldn't say no. Thanks for vlogging.
So I am off sugar and Kanchi is having all this in front of me. I am going to control myself and I'm not going to have it.
Okay, let's see.
I won't have it. Yeah,
The aftermath. Did you have the milkshake?
I did not.
He
have
did
it.
not. Only once.
Once I was just to taste, but
Yeah. Good going. It was so good. Hi guys, I'm back. Today is Friday and today we are going for a meta event and I really like my outfit. I took so much time to think about my outfit yesterday and then I came up with this basic outfit and it looks so good and my makeup is so good.
Hello
and
guys, the driver is here.
not the driver. And this is Sahil's outfit, nice outfit.
Thanks.
And yeah, I'm wearing these pants, this black top with this detail which I love so much, and now we're heading for the event, and then after that also I'm gonna be going out with Muski, so that's gonna be fun. And yeah, come along. Wanna say something?
No. Hi.
Guys, comment down below if Sahil should start long format content on YouTube.
Please let me know. I need some motivation also. I'm trying to get some
And
motivation.
what kind of content?
From Kanchi on, she's at least posting long format.
Yeah, many people are posting and you are not.
I am going to start.
He's only posting shorts. I think he should start long format because his YouTube channel is growing, so why not?
Yes.
And tell him what he should post. Like, what do you all want him to post? Vlogs or like
Let me know,
some
guys.
other content?
Hi.
We are
Busy
here.
there.
Muski is back. Divya.
Hello.
Shut up.
Super excited you guys could be here today with us to celebrate World Music Day. We have a really exciting lineup for you. We have 14 artists going live today. So it's gonna be a super exciting time. But some big names I wanna reveal for
Can get you off my mind. I want you tonight. Kar le ye galti mere saath. Ye galti. To be alive when you wake up. But there's nothing to be
afraid of, 'cause even when the night changes, it will never change me and you.
खो गए हम रंग सारे जहां खो गए हम कहाँ
अभी जाऊं तो मैं क्या कसूर है मेरा.
We are leaving from the event, not without our bags. And all that I can see is a bottle and a candle. We are at Earth Cafe and we have got the best table because we were feeling cold. And this part is not cold. And it's raining. Yum! The dips look so good.
Oh, it's very yum.
That looks yummy.
But where the hell is pesto? I thought it was
Pesto was not written. Basil was written.
Really?
Yeah. Done going back home, done for the day, and also done with this vlog. Today was like such a tiring day, not tiring day but long day because it started early and we were like at the Meta office. They had like a whole music thing going on and different artists came to perform, which you already saw from the clips before, so that was really good. And then we left, Muskan and I left and had some food, and now I'm going back home and now I'm gonna edit the vlog today. I'm gonna post it tomorrow. That's my thing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna see you in the next one.